Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything, step by step with real demonstrations, how to find out sales area of any particular iPhone's device. This will be very beneficial when we would like to have a good configuration, either it is coming from the cloud database or Apple database. Yes, if we provide customize precise location on your particular iPhone's device or virtual locations, then of course we can easily unlock any particular iPhone's device, guys, by having the good configurations. How do I find out the cells area or region of any iPhones? So see guys, here firstly we will have to tap on a setting 2. Of course we will have to come in a general, and of course we will come to general. So let's tap on a general, and yes, here we will click on a especially about. In about we can see here, that is last one. Here we can see that is a ZA/A. A is standing for what? Yes, we will see especially, or ZA is last 3 digit. By that of course we can conjecture thus this phone model is especially sold in that particular region or country. How do I especially? Simply we will come on this website, that is discussion.apple.com. So yeah, this ranks. This I will give you below the description box. Of course you can have it. So here ZA is standing for especially, we can see that is especially Singapore, and A particular A is standing for Canada. So what we can pick this one especially, we'll pick last. Yes, before slash, let's come over here. I would like to show you. Leave it A, just we will pick a last 2 digit of this ZA. ZA is standing for, yes, Singapore. I think yes, ZA. ZA is standing for Singapore. Here we can see these ones. So how easily we can find out this code? This can be also by another alternative way. Simply we will connect a data cable from your iPhones especially to 3U tool, and thereupon of course we will come on here to the click on it here. So just to see, I have connected now. Yes, now see here, we would like to show you here, don't worry. We will click on a yes, and we will make it minimize. We will come on a especially 3U tool, and so let's open. Yes, we will go for here. Now see here, just we will tap on this 3U tool, and here is we have options that easily we can find out. Click on a device setup, and so now here see Hong Kong, Macau and Singapore. This sales area is showing here. So sales region we can see here. So how easily this can be found, guys? This is all about in this video tutorials. And of course thank you for staying till the end of this tutorials. This is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channels. It really supports the channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.